So we're going to start by fresh grinding our black peppercorns for our steak au pois. We have Telecherry black peppercorns.
Is that like a special kind of pepper?
It's arguably one of like the best black peppers in the
Nice.
world. It's from India, and it's kind of got a great balance to it between fragrant and spiciness, and it's that classical black pepper that most people come to expect.
Well, au pois is a black peppercorn sauce, so I guess we got to really pull out all the stops and use the good stuff here.
Absolutely. So we take our black peppercorns that we just cracked.
Nice.
We're
nice
going
and coarse.
we're going to put them in the bottom there. Then we'll take our dry brine steaks and we're going to press them in there, coat them.
Wow, so like really getting in that pepper.
It is, yes.
Yeah. I guess that's the point, right?
That's it.
Nice.
Get both sides, kind of shake off a little excess.
So you just got a real nice pepper crust.
All right. Now we're going to move on to searing those.
So I see you've got a nice cast iron skillet.
I do, yes.
Is that your tool of choice for cooking a steak?
I like the cast iron skillet because it's an even heat. It holds the temperature as well, and it allows you to get a really nice sear on there.
Awesome.
We're going to use a little bit of oil in the bottom, not a whole lot.
Okay.
Just enough so that we can get a nice sear.
And you want this pan pretty hot?
You do. You want to bring the oil to smoke point, which you can see right there. And at that point, we can go ahead and start searing our steaks.
Now a steak that's this thick, how long does that typically take to cook?
Well, we're going to sear it on each side probably around 3 minutes, which it'll still be rare at that point in time. But at that point, we can go ahead and stick it in the oven. We'll let it continue cooking while we create our pan sauce.
Perfect. It already smells so good.
It really does.
That black pepper starting to kind of toast in the oil.
So we don't want to turn it too soon because we really want to get that nice hard crust on the bottom and toast those peppercorns. So it's very important. All right, so you'll see that beautiful caramelization there.
Gorgeous. Very, very nice. Making me hungry.
So we'll give it another couple minutes on that side, and then from there we're going to transfer it to the oven, and then we can start on our pan sauce.
Great.
All right, so we got an awesome sear on these steaks.
Yeah, they look killer.
We've had probably about 3 minutes on each side, and they're more towards rare right now, but I want to bring them up to about mid-rare. So what I'm going to do is kind of kill the heat to this real quick. Come back to that. I'll take these off. You can see that beautiful caramelization right there.
Oh, the smell in here too is like bonkers.
So we're going to finish these in the oven, like I said, at 350 degrees, just until they come up to an internal temperature of about 125 to 128 degrees.
Okay.